Hello and welcome to another video. I'm Maz and today I'm in Bristol. And in today's video, we're going to try out Arid Innovation's injector savers. Now my P300 is exempt from this injector issue, so I had to renominate this black V6 from a previous video. And here is the fitment process for these injector savers on the engine cover for the V6 and V8 F-Type. A huge thank you to Arid Innovations for the fitting process and letting us film this video. And one thing we both agreed upon is how simple it looked. All it is basically just fill in the negative space left by the engine cover. And these three-piece injector savers are made in the exact same material as the engine cover itself. Whilst the ones shown are only demonstrators and are only clipped in, the ones that will be shipped to customers will be lined in silicone to seal the gap. But yes, here is a final showcase of these injector savers fitted on. Just a reminder, you don't really need these on all-wheel drive models as they do have different air vents. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching Arid Innovation add these injector savers onto this V6 F-Type. Like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you are new, ring the bell to stay up to speed, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers!